Hey my loves, welcome back to our channel. I'm here with another one from the Outre.
Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
So I am so excited to be trying out this Outre Melted Hairline Amanda. And we have her in DR2 Butter Pecan, okay? Which, by the way, is my favorite ice cream. What's your favorite ice cream? What we doing? Like, what is y'all eating on? Butter Pecan ice cream is my fave, even though Whole Foods had this one, like, sugar cookie ice cream that you would literally slap your mama. Okay, slap your mama and then really contemplate getting your granny together too. Like that's how good that ice cream was. But I am coming on through here, okay, with her. I'm pulling her right out the pack. Look at how pretty she is. Oh, she's a little bit more golden than I expected, guys. The salt and pepper pack just fell, so no judgment. Sorry guys, my throat is a little I'm having a little bit of, I just got married, so like a couple days ago, so I'm kind of like, I was yelling and everything. Hilarious. So we have two combs in the front, okay? One comb in the back, adjustable straps, Wakanda Forever, as well as our band, okay? I'm really into this lace. This is that melted hairline collection that we all love. This is meant to be a side part, okay? Get into it. It's going to go on and let go and let have and see what mama is working with. So the first thing I'm going to do is I need to tint this lace. I can tell Neil that she's a little bit lighter than what's acceptable for me. Okay? As a brown girl, especially a brown girl with this brand new tan, she needs to be a little bit darker. So I'm going to just use my Ibn Tint Lace Spray. And I'm just going to do short spurts, short bursts. It smells so good, this spray. And you really do the short bursts also because this actually, the way it dries, sometimes it's a little wet. Okay. So I'm just going to chop this lace off. I like to chop my lace off first. It's a thing. No judgment.
Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
Okay, so this is Mother, fresh out the pack. She's not too bad. I think that the color of my dress is kind of off-putting for this hair, so I apologize I didn't curate properly. I'm typically better than that. However, I'm just going to brush her out a bit. We want to see what she's looking like. She's not really experiencing any tangle. She's very big head friendly, guys. Like very, very, very big head friendly. I got a lot of space in here. And you guys know, the beautiful thing about the Melted Hairline collection is that it doesn't require you to actually glue this hair down. It's something that I really love about it. So what I'm going to come on and do, throw that behind my ear. Look at that lace. It's really nice. I'm just going to do that. I'm going to go on through. I'm just going to darken up the lace a bit. Trying to get rid of, I have all these, I have like all of these contour palettes, but I don't use like like any other part but the contour part in the contour palette, which is annoying because now I have 100 of these and none of them have the really darkest brown in it. Which is, you know, a first world problem, as they would say. So I'm just going to go on through with my Andy straightening comb. I have it on 10. I didn't want to make it too high. And I'm just going to flatten out the top. Because we want Mother to lay flat. And just get right back in here as well. And flatten out the top. And into that part. The beautiful thing about this is that this is really a synthetic blend because I feel like I actually was just this weekend getting one of my mom's wigs together and I put the straightening comb through it and it was like, well, and I was like, oh no, this ain't real life. So it's nice to see like the difference in quality, you know what I mean? So look at how big this is. Like that's so big to me. I do have the combs in right now. However, this unit is so cute. Like, she's so cute. You could throw her back in a pony. She is really effortless. And I'm like feeling this. Like, I want you guys to bust up on her and get into that lace. It's really giving. Like, really, really, really giving. I'm going to darken this up a bit more because I think she deserves that. Like, she needs a little bit more love, sex, and magic. So I'm just going to go on in here into the part. And we want to just bring it out a little bit more so it can blend right with your skin. And again, I'm just using the darkest part of the palette, even though I know it looks like it's nothing there. I promise you it is. Okay. This is funny because I feel like this unit is done. Like, I don't know. What do you guys think? Is she glued down? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. No, she's not glued down. Did I have to glue her down? No. Why? Like, why glue her down? She looks just fine. She's given very much a nice, upstanding white woman. Let me shine now. Amanda is giving. I really like this. I really, really do. I love the length of this unit. Let me turn around for you guys. Okay. She really is providing working girl. This dress, if you guys, I know you guys are going to ask because you saw the back. I'll show you again. It's a deep, deep back. This dress I got from Pretty Little Thing. She's so fire. Like, so fire. I've worn her like 27 times already. So this unit is serving a black girl blonde on a platter. Okay. Like on a platter. Look at this pony. Let me find a hair tie because we got to do this. Now this unit again on most wig sites is going for just under $37, which is really a great price. She did not require me to lay the lace, and I think the beautiful thing, especially if you're a beginner wig wearer, is this side bang. This side bang is giving effortless. It's giving throw me on and go, and that's what I feel like she's providing. We just threw her up into like a really cute, like, sloppy pony. Okay? And that's what you would give. Sloppy pony-esque. I'm giving black girl blonde. Very Nene Leakes. Alright? She is a little bit shiny. Like a little teeny weeny bit shiny. But it also could be the color of my dress that's a little bit off-putting with this hair. So I'm not going to charge it to the hair. I'm going to charge it to my outfit choice if you're picking up what I'm putting down. So as a matter of fact, let me just throw something on real quick so I can see the difference. Back. And I feel a little bit better about this. I am going to add some baby powder. If I can get this out. Oh, there we go. That was too much. Just a little bit to the wig. Just a little bit. Just to feel a little bit better to the wig. Okay? Let's just go in one more time. Oh, yeah. That looks way better. It was the outfit. It was the outfit for sure. I got so tan, guys. Can you tell? I'm going to have to switch up my makeup in a bit. I know that in a darker color, I wanted to try a different color, but I'm certain now that in a darker color, this unit would be absolutely positively fire. Like, so dope. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Again, yes, I did not. There you go. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. This unit is fire. I have nothing else for you. She is fire, fire, fire. She's coming in at just under $40 on most wig sites. Do not wear orange and blue with her, especially if you get this color, because it ain't going. it ain't going. Okay, so if you have not already, bust down, subscribe to this channel. Let me know what you think about Miss Amanda. I actually had a neighbor named Miss Amanda, and she was amazing. She used to take me to the library. Me and my sisters to the library, and we would get books. She was the shit. Okay, back when it took a village to raise a child. We was out here in the streets. So let me know what you guys are thinking. I really do love this. I feel very regal and sexy. And I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later.